Yeah. Well, this is an excellent opportunity. We're really nice. I promise we don't bite, and we might some customers that bite and we don't sell. So I can't promise we don't bite. What is this process over here? What are we looking at?
Lamination table. You can do applications, vinyl, laminate, application tape, training tape.
Oh, and this is a back-end table?
Oh yeah.
I love that.
What we're doing is taking the prints off the HP printer, putting them over here onto this board, duplicating what they can do on that $200,000 using so this process is under $50,000 using the lamination table and the HP printer.
And then you got two different setups, so you can still be printing over there while you're right. So I learned that it's not necessarily always a solution too. So this device is what you're set up.
This is just a piece of that glue that we're making a big flatbed decal.
Alright, so we gotta watch the process. Can y'all see? Can they see? So that is a release liner that you're peeling back right now?
Yeah.
I love this contraption here. I've done this manually so many times that I got out of vinyl just because I had to do this manually.
You can see the crease right here. Right top of the roller right before.
And you come on this side so you can see a little more of what's going on this side. Yeah.
Right, fold this over so our prints don't hit the ground. Peel back this liner and start walking it. And notice I'm going to stop where right here on this black, if you're laminating on this, that would ruin the print.
Right.
But we're going to look at it after I finish washing this. Oh yeah, this roller's magic. Keeps the substrate straight, keeps the substrate on, no movement, no nothing. Yeah, on the UV print, you can actually see the letters under here because I've been just doing print after print on this thing all day. See where I stopped on this glove? You definitely see the line there. No lines, no nothing. Lamination's the exact same process.
Now, what material was that? Worktable branded or what?
General formulations, yeah.
Oh, this is your brand?
Oh yeah. Oh,
Table is ours.
Table is
Oh,
ours.
okay. But this is a great concept. And being backlit, you can see underneath when you're layering things.
If you're mounting to acrylic, you'll see any debris on the clear acrylic before you put a permanent piece of it. So you can clean it.
Because when you got these transfer tapes, you always have to have someone squeegeeing afterwards because you're going to get bubbles and all that. Not with this. What we're going to do.
So if you ever weeded the cotton letters, vinyl, and you have to put this paper tape on it,
right.
See how fast.
This is exactly why I got out of science because I didn't have the budget to do the brand equipment.
Try to line this up.
Yeah, I used to have all this by hand.
Once this is on here, you can move it anywhere you need to.
Electric or is it pneumatic or?
So this is electric. This model is. Our older models are all pneumatic. You have an air compressor that tucks into the table, but no, this is an electric roller. You just need a 110 outlet. Just put a regular 3-prong in there. I mean, powers the lights, powers the roller.
work surface, like.
Oh yeah, no, it's got the self-healing cutting mounder here. You can trim or weed anything out that you need. No, it's great.
This would actually make it worth it to get back into doing like stickers and signs.
It takes a 3-man specialized job, and then your secretary can do it, your kids can do it. It's easy.
Right. Then you can get to doing the marketing for your business because the actual application process is that's awesome, yeah.
I mean, this thing pays for itself in a year. Like, this time and effort.
No, this one's 18,000.
What?
Yep. And then our older models, the pneumatic one, that's 13.
Really? And is it available in the U.S. after the wait for the manufacturing ship? Or
They're available in the U.S. We have 3
Yeah.
locations.
No,
3 warehouse locations, LA, New Jersey, and Florida.
I'm the install guy. I fly around full time and build these things. Yep.
Are y'all going to be able to get that or okay, yeah. Awesome.
And then our next big show is going to be the ISA show in Cincinnati.
That one y'all are going to do.
We'll have multiple units here. We're also sponsoring the wraps contest. We'll have a 50 by 60 version. We have digital cutters, routers, laminators. I got the whole line.
That's going to be fun. And I'm going to be looking forward to seeing y'all that so we'll be there as well.
Okay.
We're growing and growing our community and just showing them things that will help. We don't understand that there are tools out there that exist.
Right.
I just developed a buddy system that basically allows us to take, like all of the shirts,
Right.
we have these little small press. So instead of being able to get like a $2,000 large press, I developed a system that's kind of similar to this. Like you can have a machine that works for you that's simpler,
Right.
and it allows you to take a smaller press and press in sections, but it rolls in different areas so that they can get to the sections. And it's just a tool that allows people, you've got to have something in the middle. You can't afford a piece of $2,000 equipment for your small setup. And we developed something. This is perfect because this takes a.
This is the good entry level, but we do have the calendaring presses. We also offer that are in the $30,000 range.
Right.
With the big 12-inch strong,
Yes.
64-inch mics. And we also sell the Sublimation monthly presses.
Really?
We'll have that set up at the booth.
That's cool. And we deal a lot with sublimation. And I actually teach people Photoshop. So I teach them how to design and get into that space. So a lot of our is going from small format or entrepreneurs and further. So that's all having history education. The process is excellent. So this is good stuff. And name of the company is.
CWT. GST is my distributor.
Oh, okay. So this
I'm actually with Worktable.
So this is CWT. We'll go ahead and get that on video.
The GST is our distributor.
Uh-huh.
So they have